dedicated to doctors. Doctors. The first thing that comes to my mind when I hear the word doctors is superheroes.
Superheroes are brave. They save people.
Yes, doctors are our real life superheroes. We would like to thank all the doctors for their efforts and sacrifices towards making this world a better place. For this Doctors' Day, we are making a poster as a tribute to all doctors.
So let's begin.
So guys, the first drawing for our poster is obviously the doctor.
I will draw the doctor. This is a cartoonic drawing. It is very easy to draw. Doctor is very happy. He is holding a medical box. He is saying hi to us. Doctor is wearing a stethoscope and a long white coat.
We need to give a big applause to all doctors. I am drawing clapping hands to show this. Next, I am drawing a heart-shaped earth to show that doctors protect the world with lots of care.
We have cut the pictures and pasted them on a colored paper.
We need to add fillers to make it beautiful. Firstly, the title, Real Life Heroes. A stethoscope protecting the world. They are lifesavers.
I am drawing a hand offering flowers. These are the flowers of thanks for the doctors.
Let's all respect, love, and thank our doctors. Applause for their hard work. Bravo! Lastly, heart stickers.
And our poster is ready. Our poster looks great. I loved it.
Hope you guys liked our poster. If you guys liked our video, like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.